Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again, my people. This news now very sad one, my people. May God carry sad news away from us in this Xmas period. My people, this boy we wanna see for here, he don't turn RIP. Now he cousin carry this matter come social media. Say, see what thing happened to him 12 years old little cousin. Say he was beaten, beaten to RIP. Say na beat na dey beat am for school because of say he no join Jaguda gang. From 12 years, people don dey join Jaguda gang. Una know wetin I use that Jaguda gang take mean because na small pikin na make me no just put mouth finish. Una know, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. My lovely country people, no be small matter, no be small gbege for inside town. As I dey tell una so, this person wey e dey here, Perry, he come cry come outside say im 12 years old little cousin say dem beat am till im drop turn RIP for school wey e cost 1 million naira per term. My people, hey, now wow, not wey we no go hear for inside Naija, my people. This little pikin una dey see for here, e don already turn RIP after the in classmate gather disgwangwara for school, and the pikin come drop, come turn to RIP. My people, abeg parents, make una put una eye for ground for school because of for una pikin body, because of wetin dey happen. Once they come back for school, make una dey ask them wetin happen today, how was your story and everything. My people, no be small matter, no be small gbege. He say the Downwen college is a disgrace. He say he measure 5 people wey he beat am for school before the pikin turn RIP. Say na 5 people na he beat am for inside that school that day because of wetin, because say he no join Jaguda gang at 12 years. My people, and the school principal come talk say na the boy that is he fall when they do sports. Make una see like principal. He say the boy fall. Now they come rush and go hospital. Now so the boy come turn RIP when they do sport, they play football. My people, for the second video when I will do, I will bring out the evidence of this little pikin. Make una see everything. You understand? I go even bring video come outside. I promise to go to the to follow this case to the end, so that una go see wetin dey happen, how teachers and some principal they neglect students. You understand, my people? He said they tried to put they were trying to force him make him join Jaguda gang for school, but he can't refuse. Now they can't buy him for inside that school. My people, you understand? He said now waiting them do to a little cousin be that one. He said but he said because say they want put him for Jaguda matter, they want draw and put for Jaguda matter. The guy can't say no, say his parents they against and say he too small to join Jaguda at 12 years to join Jaguda. My people, he can't say no, he no go fit join that kind of something. Make you see the name of the people where turn this pikin to RIP. Just students like him, my people, small pikin dem for secondary school, not be even university now, secondary. God protect all our children so wait dey school. Make you see the name where this Sylvester call before in turn RIP. He said according to the cousin, he said Perry. He said anybody that can buy him, make them buy him now. So he say anybody wey want buy am make dem buy am now. He say he no go keep quiet because him little cousin no fit just turn RIP just like that. You understand? He say thank God say he measure their name before he turn RIP. So make you listen to the name of the 5 people wey he call. He say Aslem, Temila, Michael, Kanshammer, and Benjamin Favor. Benjamin Favor na be the people wey he drag am be one put am for Jaguda matter for inside school when the boy Sylvester refuse. At the end of it, they come turn am to RIP for inside Downwin College. Just know he called your names before he turn RIP. My people, no be small matter, no be small gbege. This matter shock me. Say for secondary school, they don't start to dey do jaguda matter for inside secondary school. My people, this is shocking. Abeg parents, put eye for your pikin. Eye make you dey look wetin dey happen to them. You understand? Just like that woman wey pikin dey that Deeper Life School. If not for God, my people, that pikin for just still turn RIP. Just like this woman pikin for here, this very boy so that they call Sylvester. You understand? He said they called my uncle that he got injured playing football. Reaching the hospital, it was confirmed that he was bullied and beat up because of internal damages. You understand? The school, this very school for here, called this Sylvester parents say the boy fall as in dey play football, he can't get injury. My people, you understand? Not knowing say na lie, nothing like that ever happen. My people, you understand? Say na jaguda they be dey drag the pikin join. So me I believe say one of the teachers go join this jaguda. You understand? I believe say one of the teacher go join this jaguda wey dey drag this pikin enter. So my people, make una come here. When they reach hospital, e body swell up, see beating. Person wey fall for this thing na mountain. They for go do for go play the football. When the boy go just fall, all his body go just dey pain na. You understand, my people? If you see the video, you go shed tears. Say the school worth 1 million naira per term. My people, we no dey talk about the money for here, but everything wetin that pikin wan become for life now, they just terminate a dream just like that. So principal no fit tell me say they no know say jaguda dey inside school. Say they don form jaguda for inside school. My people, please parents, make una put eye for una pikin body, because jaguda people now they don enter inside secondary school now. You understand? Secondary school just be like primary school. So you understand? So according to this cousin for here wey be parent, he say they try to block comment section on IG. They have not seen anything. So he ready to drag them come outside. You understand? Because the school wants save their name. That school must be, they need to bring her down. You understand? Justice for this little Sylvester where he just turned RIP. My people, justice for her. You understand? Thank God say he make sure name before he turn RIP. Because this one not just be football. Which kind of football be that one? Now make am, if you get house girl for house, or you leave pikin with person, beg the person, say, I beg, tell me the truth, where my pikin for fall, or where he hit, or even though say you beat am sef, if you hit am for head, so that if you reach house, you go give am medicine, so that me no go dey sick for inside body. You understand? Now wetin mothers dey tell people be that one. I beg, I no go too, even though I vex, I no go too vex, but just let me know how my pikin take fall. You understand? Wait, where he hit, wetin happen to am. You understand? So that you go know how to give am better medicine, better medical care, so that you no go lead to another one just like this late Sylvester for here. My people, you understand? The teachers and the principal, they lie to the parents and talk say na football na the boy dey play when he fall. My people, if you see the video, oh my God, you go shed tears. You go even say you want me your pikin comot for school, make you dey teach am for his house, or make teacher come meet am for his house. You understand? Because Benin dey talk and say I want one, I want like they no dey do person pikin like this. You understand? The way they take do this small pikin for here, this small little Sylvester, the way they take do am for here. Imagine secondary school, they don't get jaguda for inside school. My people, not be small matter or not be small gbege o. You understand? Sometimes e get some kind things wey go happen. E no good make we dey hide all this kind thing. E good make we dey expose all these people. You guys speak out to the world, so that make the whole world know wetin dey happen. You understand? So because look at the principal or the owner of the school now, they protect the name of the school. What about person pikin wey supposed to become governor, president, doctor, councillor tomorrow, wey e just turn RIP? You dey protect your own business, you understand? You dey protect your own image. Look at this little boy future, the one na your state draw am come down. You understand? Me, I believe say either the principal join or the school teacher join, because before those small small pikin wey dey 12 years 16 years go come join jaguda, meaning there is something behind it. The na principal or na teacher na introduce that something enter that school. So my people, abeg make everybody come outside come talk for this matter, justice for this little pikin, you understand? So thank God say he make sure their name, and those pikin dem wey e gather beat them, whether they are of age or not, make their parents go face the consequences, you understand? Because they no dey put pikin for inside kirikiri, but their mama and their papa need to go in for it, you understand? Till they make their papa and their mama go wait for them for there till they become of age. Na wetin me and judge be that one, you understand? Because you can't just put this kind ebube for mother body for e eye. 12 years pikin, you know, no be 12 days or no be 12 hours, no be 12 minutes or 12 seconds, so 12 solid years, you understand? Wetin the pikin wan become for life now, they don end everything. Imagine school dey cost 1 million naira per term. In a year they dey pay 2 million naira. My people, this happy boy, this healthy boy wey dey healthy, just turn RIP for inside school just like that. Justice must prevail for this little pikin. The pikin no go just go like that. Justice for Sylvester, my people. Justice for Sylvester. So my people, abeg make una gather here, make we discuss about this matter for comment section, you understand? So parents, please always be vigilant about your pikin, because na school e come dey happen now. School, you understand? You still surprised say this one na body school now, because anything body school na so e dey be. Na so e dey always dey be. Look, Miss Deborah Okeke matter, na still boarding school na e be. So abeg be vigilant, not just only tell your pikin welcome, no, check everything about him now. Thank God say internet no dey lie, you understand? Thank God say internet no dey lie. So the school talk say na football, say the boy fall from the highest mountain go play football. They dey play football for mountain, my people. Me, I no understand this matter, you understand? Because you no fit just put sand for person eye like this way, make the person leave you, may no fight you. So parents, abeg open your eye. It's not all that glitter that are gold, or maybe the name in the school name big, or the money wey they pay e big, na go make your pikin no book. No, open your eye well well, shine your eye well well, you understand? Because this matter e get as e be, my country people. This matter don pass e don pass garri and no as I wan take put am. Because person no fit just carry this kind matter take wele person pikin for school just like that, all in the name of say, I no understand, my people. Abeg, how una see this matter, my country people? Because I just dey vex for this kind matter. E dey irritate me, e dey vex me. You carry pikin go school na kpalaba, e dey vex me. Na the school be this one, they wan protect their image. What about the little pikin wey e turn RIP for the matter? So you understand, my people? What about the little pikin wey come turn RIP for inside this matter wey the trend dey go? So abeg make una come. So you understand? So now I say make I let una know wetin really dey happen for here, okay, my country people? So no be small matter, no be small gbege, you understand? Because how teacher go lie or principal go lie against this kind thing, say see wetin happen, say make pikin just you go just lie say see wetin really happen to pikin. You go come lie, so mama go come dey treat another something, hoping say na this thing. Abi they think say maybe the doctor wey dey inside the school, say dey hospital, say they no go school well well, abi na just cut and nail doctor. Doctor must verify, must know everything wetin happen before all this kind thing. You understand? Pikin wey other children gather beat, now you una come dey talk say na football. Say the pikin fall for football. So you understand? Say the pikin fall as e dey do football. My people, if una see the video, e dey very very painful. Dem no dey do person pikin like this. So those parents of those pikin, they need to come outside. You understand? They know say they no dey born put for person pikin, but they need to come outside. You understand? Or make they go wait for their mama wait for their pikin for inside kirikiri. Because you have to train up your child in the way he or her should grow, so that when they grow, they no go depart away from that way. You understand? I know say some mothers they try, some parents they try, some fathers they try. You understand? So may your trying not be in vain, please. Please, because this little boy no fit just turn ROIP just like that. Imagine for school now, secondary school now don't they get jaguda, my people. Hey, now wow, now I shock when I see this video. This video for the past how many days now, this video dey with me. As the other one come, the other evidence come. Now I come say okay, make I just gather. May I go back, may I go listening to the video again. As I listen, my people, now I shock. Now I say, God, wetin really dey happen for our society? Wetin come dey happen for Nigeria? Imagine now time where the internet not dey. Imagine many things where e dey under water where many people no know. For secondary school to come get jaguda, my people, no be small matter o. For secondary school to come get jaguda, no be small matter. So now I say okay, make I leave this video for una, make una reason. I beg justice for this little pikin as I earlier talk. Please, make una dey question una pikin when they come back from school. Monitor them. They look their activities. They look wetin they do. They look who they chat with. Make una dey look everything about una pikin, because secondary school now don embark on jaguda. Una know wetin be the jaguda, madam. So secondary school now don start to dey do court matter. My people, na so I talk this matter reach. I will come back with the second video of this very late Sylvester. Continue to rest in peace. May his soul continue to rest in peace. So justice for him. Thank you everyone and happy view. See you in my next video. Bye everyone. Choose.